most frustrating part about finding a contractor is finding somebody that you trust to come inside your house, whether you're home or not, and finding somebody that the price is reasonable and that you can trust doing the work to make your dreams come true of what you were imagining. We chose Pittsburgh Best Remodeling. We had another friend that went through with them and they had a great experience. Everybody we met was extremely personable. They seemed like they could do things in a timely manner and that their communication skills were great. The designer exceeded our expectations in a lot of ways. She could tell that we were people that weren't easy to choose options, so she found out our style by us showing pictures and would just find a select few things to make it easier for us to select the countertop or the backsplash floors, stuff like that. My favorite part about Pittsburgh Best Remodel, again, was how friendly everybody was and how good the communication was, talking to everyone. Whether we had a concern about part of the project, they got back to us instantly. And then my favorite part of the remodel is probably the coffee pot garage doors or the underlight cabinets. I would tell somebody that was going to hire Pittsburgh Best Remodel that they're extremely trustworthy company. They're, again, really good with communication, and everybody that you meet is extremely friendly, and they go above and beyond to make sure your dreams come true.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.